Okay, so we're going to take a moment to talk about the different types of data that you use in Excel. There are three categories of data that we're going to talk about: labels, constants, and formulas. A label is basically just text. So a label is something that you, the user, will use to help you organize your data. It typically doesn't mean anything to Excel, but it means a lot to us. So labels are things like check number or date or payee. These are terms that we use in Excel to help us categorize our data. A constant is a single number that is not part of a formula or function. So it's a standalone number. Numbers like $5.75, 1,047, 96.55. These are any numbers that just happen to exist in Excel, but they're not being used as part of a formula or function. Then you have your formulas and your functions. So these are equations, calculations. These are things that are being acted upon in some way. So for example, 5 plus 3. C2 times D12. What that is taking two cell references and multiplying them. So when you take a cell reference like C2 and multiply it to a cell reference like D12, that means you're multiplying the contents of C12 to the contents of D12. So it's just like algebra when you have variables. Those cell references stand for a different number. And then you have functions, which include formulas, so things like sum, of, average. These are things that you would use in Excel to find a specific type of data.